On practice problem 24, it asks for you to express some kind of trigonometric function as a sum and difference. So this is the sum and difference formula for cosine. Cos of alpha plus beta equals cos of alpha times cos of beta, then the opposite sign of what we have, sine of alpha times sine of beta. So first, given this cos of 5 pi over 12, we need to split it up into alpha and beta. So we could either do it adding or subtracting. I choose to do it adding because I know that 3 pi over 12 plus 2 pi over 12 gets me 5 pi over 12. And then I can go ahead and reduce these. This becomes pi over 4, and this becomes pi over 6. And I know the cosine of these values on the unit circle. So let's go ahead and express this as the cos sum difference. So it'd be written like this: cos of pi over 4 plus pi over 6 equals, and then we plug it into this equation. So we have cos of pi over 4 times cos of pi over 6, opposite sign, sine of pi over 4 times sine of pi over 6. Voila! Okay, so now we find each of these values in the unit circle. So this is the square root 2 over 2 times, that's square root 3 over 2, minus sine of pi over 4, which is square root 2 over 2, times sine of pi over 6, which is 1/2. So let's multiply each end. We get square root 6 over 4, because we multiply across, minus square root 2 over 4. And the last thing we do is pretty much just put it together. So we get square root 6 minus square root 2 over 4. And that would be your answer. Let me show you. Okay. That is the answer for, depending on which number 24 you get.